questions
Sure.
about how do we choose the university? A lot of students they want to study in America. There are thousands of universities, thousands and thousands of universities. Some are community colleges, some are really really public universities, some are private universities, some are in a very luxurious cities, some are in a remote areas. So tell me, uh, it's so confusing, isn't that confusing? So tell me, how do students actually need to choose the universities, Greg?
Well, that's a wonderful question, Suresh,
Yeah,
and because the students face this question.
yeah,
And so let's begin with the first thought about this, the student and what he wants as a career goal
yeah.
and what he wants to do for his future profession. And
Mhm.
it may be not so clear immediately, but immediately what he feels he would like to do in the future. And so that will determine what his major will be. If he wants to do, if he's interested in engineering, then of course that would be his major. If he's interested in math, that would be his major. In health sciences or whatever, business, and that will be their major. And so you're looking at what will be my major. And then you want to then look at universities that have strong programs with that major. And when I'm looking at strong programs, you look at the ranking of different universities and you see what they're ranked with that program, their business department, their hospitality department, their psychology department, whatever, which university has this good ranking.
Mhm.
And then you look at your budget. And so a student then looks at his budget. What money do we have available for my education to be able to pay for my university fees? And so before a scholarship. And so you look at the universities and you say this one too much and
Mhm.
this one fits my budget.
Yeah.
And I'm going to apply for a scholarship as well, and so that will again reduce the spending that a person will have to make. And then some universities have good scholarship programs. You look at you try several universities and see which one you can get a good scholarship with. And then so those are the major things: your career goal and your financial situation. Then also you want to remember, is this campus student friendly? Is it safe? Is it internationally friendly? Do it has a good group of international students and as well as American students? And is it a safe place for me to live? A lot of universities or some universities are not in a good area, but many universities are in a good area. So you want to look at safety as well. And so you look at these factors. Does it match my major well? Is it financially friendly for my family? And is it a friendly, safe
Yeah.
environment to go to study in?
Great.
Yes.
Also, one of the things that I've noticed while I was doing campus tour
Yes.
in the different cities and states in the United States is that there are universities that are really, most private, like public universities are really, really
Hmm.
great. And also, most private universities are really big, largest, like Pepperdine University,
Yes.
Harding
Yeah.
University. Those are really fantastic universities. But also, sometimes there are universities that's just the name of the university.
Mhm.
It looks just like a one building.
You
And
saw that.
yeah, I saw this. I so regret. Oh, I mean, so and I could see where with the person who issues the I-20, I could see the person who's got the power to deport and everything.
Mhm.
So
Yes.
I could see the students' lab and everything. So I asked, where's the accommodation, the hostel for my student? Where's the
Dormitories and
dormitory?
yeah,
They say we
libraries.
don't have it. We only have a partner hotels. What like? Those are gonna be very very hard for the students,
Students, yeah.
especially for undergraduate
Yeah,
students.
you want
Because
an
that's really,
accredited university or
yeah,
college that,
yeah.
yeah, yeah,
And also they don't have
it's
an on-campus
necessary.
job. The bigger the university, the bigger the chance they have to get an on-campus job.
Yeah.
And also the better the university, the big the university, the better they've got a time that they can be friended with.
Yes.
They can learn more from it. And also the other thing that I've realized, Greg, is that the more American people the university has, that's where they get the more chance to be friended, to learn from
Very
American
good.
real experience, first-hand experience with American actually.
Yes.
I've also seen universities that actually only there are international students.
Mhm.
There are, if you go to a website and they say American student, they're actually online students. A lot of them are actually not American by birth,
Yeah.
by the green card or some other way
Mhm.
they're Americans,
Right.
And I think that a lot of people when they just choose the university, I think if because they want to feel like they're in America.
Yeah.
A lot of people that I work with, so they just like we want to feel like we're in America. We don't want to feel like we're in somewhere else in Nepal, India, Pakistan, or Africa, or China, somewhere else. They want to be in America, but they want to learn from America. I think those are very important. Also, the other thing that I was going through was actually they say community colleges, because colleges are very small.
Yes.
A lot of people that say, "Oh, it's expensive. You want to move it to college," and actually, they can only work on campus. On campus means on inside the campus. It's not gonna go to outside the business or cafe and just ask for the job. They cannot do this because that's not under the law on F1 visa. So, and people actually I've seen they made mistakes, going to community colleges and thinking that they get a job actually because the college is small and they don't even get a lot of experiences.
Yes. Yeah.
So
Those are very important considerations, Suresh.
Yeah. And that's I've seen a lot of things like that. So I think that's very helpful for them.
Yeah.
So how to choose university is very important. How much you can pay, where you can be making a lot of friends and being a lot of friends with a lot of people and the real American, real experiences. And also the university, that's a really a big side. Don't end up yourself. If you're really a good as an American university, is very, very generous. They really, really have a lot of different plans and titles for scholarships. I've seen people they just they really are just they're honest. They can afford. They cannot actually for a long time, but they're just honest, and when they're interviewed, they can say, "Officer, I can pay this," and they're honest. They granted the visa, and they actually made the scholarship, full ride scholarship for 1 year, 2 year, 3, even for entire course. I've seen those kind of students too, and that is only available in American universities. And I think when you are choosing university in America, that's very important that you choose the right type of university.
Good. Excellent, Suresh.
Thank you. So great. There's one more now.
Yeah.